Hello, everyone. Welcome back, and thank you for being a part of our growing community. I am Lady J. Get ready for a mouth-watering journey through the history of Kenkey. I will also walk you through the fascinating story of how Kenkey became known as Komi in Ga. This is going to be an exciting ride you don't want to miss. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Kenkey is a delicious and popular staple food that is enjoyed in many parts of West Africa, especially in coastal areas. It is made from ground corn and it has a texture like sourdough dumplings similar to ugali or setza of several countries of Africa. The dish is commonly found in the Ga and Fanti inhabited regions of Ghana and is usually served with chili sauce, fried fish, soup, or stew. It's a great local cuisine that you should try when visiting the region. Get ready to embark on a flavorful journey. The favorite dish, kenkey, is a staple in many countries including Ghana, Eastern Ivory Coast, Togo, Western Benin, Guyana, and Jamaica. The delicious taste of this dish will transport your taste buds to the lively streets and vibrant cultures of these nations. Explore the different flavors and variations of this mouth-watering delicacy. Are you ready to tantalize your taste buds with a unique and exotic delicacy? Kenkey, popularly known as Komi or Otim by the Gans or Dokunu by the Akans in Ghana, differs from place to place. It is also known in Jamaica as Dokunu or Dokunu, blue jaws, and Thai a leaf. In Guyana, it is called Konki. In Trinidad, it goes by the name Peme and contains pumpkin and coconut, while in other Caribbean regions, it's made with plantain, cornmeal, green banana, sweet potato, or cassava wrapped in banana or plantain leaves. The Jamaican version came from the Ashanti version. The food is derived from African cooking traditions. So, what are you waiting for? Get ready to embark on a gastronomic adventure and taste the flavors of the Caribbean. So, how did kenkey become known as Komi in Ghana? As mentioned previously, Otim is the Ga word for Ga Kenkey. In the past, before Gordon Guggisberg became the governor of the Gold Coast, Otim was made by grinding corn between stones using a stone mill. It was Guggisberg who introduced the use of the corn mill. So, the Ga people started making kenkey from corn ground, not with a stone mill, but with a new machine, which is the corn mill. During the introduction of the new machine, the Ga community encountered some challenges with the milling machine. As a result, if your parents requested that you purchase kenkey, they would inquire from you whether the kenkey you bought was made using the traditional stone mill or the modern corn mill machine. Consequently, mentioning corn mill would become a common way of referring to kenkey. It's like how some words get shortened or altered over time. The name cornmeal got associated with kenkey. Cornmeal became an adulterated name for a kenkey transformed from Otim to Komi. That explains Otim Shino, right? In Ghana, there are several versions of kenkey, such as Ga and Fanti kenkey. The Ga Kenkey is more common in most parts of Ghana. Modern Ga Kenkey is produced by steeping grains of maize in water for about a week before the grains are milled and kneaded with water into a dough. Part of the dough is boiled to a sticky paste known as aflata among the Ga people. The cornmeal or aflata is mixed with the remaining uncooked corn dough or cassava starch, and water is added and boiled until a smooth and firm dough is obtained. It is covered and left in a warm place for the fermentation to take place. In many homes, the dough mixture is allowed to ferment for 4 days to a week before the dough is cooked. After fermentation, the kenkey is partially cooked and wrapped in banana leaves, corn husks, or foil. The shaped kenkeys are cooked or steamed in water for about 3 hours. In the Ga Kenkey variant, the dough is additionally salted and formed into about 300 grams of balls before being wrapped in moistened corn leaves. Unlike ugali setza, making kenkey involves letting the maize ferment before cooking. Therefore, preparation takes a few days in order to let the dough ferment. Kenkey is mostly served with fish and shito, which I know will surely leave you craving for more. Kenkey is made from corn and covered with its leaves to give it a great fragrance. In this picture is a group of people eating kenkey during the annual Kenkey Festival in Accra, the capital of Ghana. Now, that looks good, and I know you agree with me. In many homes, the cooking water of Ga Kenkey is collected and used as an electrolytic-rich drink. This electrolytic-rich drink is different from another popular food made from the Fanti kenkey variant termed ice kenkey. Ice kenkey is a popular Ghanaian dessert. Ice kenkey is a meal made from a Fanti kenkey mixed with water, sugar, milk, and ice. It is often sold as a street food in Ghana. A variant of Ga Kenkey is banku, a dumpling that also consists of leavened corn, but is not cooked in the banana leaf or corn husk. Today, the Ga or Fanti Kenkey and Banku are available in restaurants and in street restaurants popularly known as chop bars in Ghana. Wow, that was an incredible episode, wasn't it? I'm so excited about what's coming up next, and I know you are too. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to this channel so you never miss out on the action. And be sure to hit that notification bell because you won't want to be late to the party. Thank you. Until next time.